In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a secondary domain to your Google Workspace account step by step. Whether you're managing a growing business or setting up an additional platform, adding a secondary domain can be a crucial part of your strategy. We'll walk through this process to make it as seamless as possible for you. First, go ahead and open Google Workspace in your preferred web browser. Ensure you're logged into the account that you want to manage. From there, your next step is to access the admin console. You'll find it as soon as you log in. Click on the admin console, which will take you to the platform where you can manage all aspects of your Google Workspace account. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you're not already signed in. Select the appropriate account that you want to use for this process. After selecting your account, you'll need to enter your password. This ensures that only authorized users can make administrative changes to your setup. Once you've entered your password, click on Next to continue. With access granted, your next move is to locate the square dots icon at the top right of your screen. This icon represents Google Apps, and clicking it will present a drop-down menu with various options. Find and click again on Admin Console. This is where most of your domain management tools reside. Once inside the admin console, you'll want to navigate to the Accounts section. You can follow the link within the console or simply select it from the side menu. Within the Accounts section, look for the Domains option. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can view and manage domains associated with this account. Here, you'll see an option to Manage Domains. Click on this to get to the section dedicated to handling both primary and secondary domains. Next, you'll need to click Add a Domain. This is the key step where you'll start incorporating that secondary domain into your Workspace account. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you intend to add. Make sure you type it correctly, and don't forget to select the domain type that best suits your needs. After entering the necessary details, go ahead and click on Add Domain. This action will initiate the verification process. Verification ensures that you have the right to manage the domain you've entered. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete this verification. If you encounter any issues, double check the information provided, especially the domain name. By following this guide, integrating a secondary domain into your Google Workspace should be straightforward. This step allows you to expand your business capabilities, from hosting additional emails to setting up more customized Google services under your new domain. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further clarification.